It's been some time now that I've posted something on YouTube. The reason is I run two design studios, Tanase Design Studio and Demetrius Yacht Design Studio. And with the preparation for the Cannes Yacht Festival and Monaco Yacht Show, kept me completely busy. Now, I'm here in Monaco on Sunday, on the Sunday noon, enjoying the sun and relaxing after a full, exhausting Monaco Yacht Show. I would like to talk about and share with you some of the beautiful yachts that were here. For me, Monaco Yacht Show is one of the most important yacht show, and it is one of the most important yacht show for super yachts, more than 25 meters in length, and is a great opportunity for me to connect with professionals in the industry, meet new people, potential clients, brokers, partners who can have the chance to work together and creating a yacht. So the Monaco Yacht Show started on Wednesday 24 until Sunday 27. And for me it was extremely busy with meetings and proposals, speeches, and I barely had the time to capture the footage for this video. I did it between meetings, and also I barely had the time to even visit a yacht, except for the ones I had meetings on. Usually the shows can get very intensive. The normal schedule is from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. but most of the days for a designer, for a professional, for someone who is looking for a project, the day might start even at 7 a.m. with meetings and end as late as 3 a.m. in the morning, because most of the suppliers, shipyards, they organize cocktails and parties after in the afternoon and evening. Events that personally I like to attend because I had experience, and even this year I met a lot of people, a lot of potential partners and clients. For a designer, it's very important to attend these events, to not only for the parties to party, but to engage in networking, connect with people, meeting new people, get introduced, because usually on this meeting potential clients attend, brokers, CEOs or management teams from shipyards, important people that a designer should connect with. For me, the show this year was great, and usually you have a feeling of what you have done during a show, but the confirmation will come after a few weeks, even months. But I had a few very interesting discussions for potential projects that I would like to share with you if the opportunity arises. There were quite a few projects here that caught my attention, and I would like to share some of the views that I took from outside during my walk around the show. Being at the show, one of my favorite design is Luna, designed by Luis De Basto and built by Ocean Co. Here are some footage I managed to take during my pass by through it, and it's one of my favorite super yachts. To wrap this up, Monaco is one of the most important yacht shows in the industry. A lot of impressive yachts are being brought here and offered the chance to visit them. And also shipyards present models of new designs or projects that are being built, and many of them are amazing. And the show is also an exceptional source of inspiration. Until next time, let's live the yacht design passion.
That one was